the integral from 0 to 1 of arctan of x dx. So using the fundamental theorem of calculus, we have f of 1 minus f of 0, where f of x is the antiderivative. So we need to find the antiderivative of arctan of x dx. And we need to use integration by parts. So we can pretend that this is arctan of x times 1 dx. Okay, so there are two parts to this integral. We see that there is the arctan, and arctan belongs to inverse trigonometry, and the 1 belongs to the algebra because it's a constant. So the first circle at the top is the u. So u is equal to arctan of x. And we need to find the derivative. So according to our formula sheet, we can see that the derivative of arctan is 1 over x squared plus 1. So we have 1 over x squared plus 1. So du would be equal to 1 over x squared plus 1 dx. And how about dv? Well, dv will be this part, right? Because this is the u, and the dv will be this part. So 1 dx. And v will be the integral of 1 dx, which is x plus c. So we have u times v, right? So u is arctan of x times v, and v is simply x, minus the integral of v du. So v is x, and du is x squared plus 1 dx. And I guess we could write it with x in the numerator like this. So let's go ahead and solve this integral. Now this integral here is easy to solve because we can just use u substitution. So let u1 equal to x squared plus 1. Because we already have a u, so now let's say we have u1. So the derivative of that is going to be 2x. So du is equal to 2x dx, and dx will simply be du over 2x. So this is equal to x over u, and dx is du over 2x. The x will cancel out, and we move the 2 outside of the integral, so we have 1 over 2 times the integral of 1 over u times du. So this is the same as 1 over 2 times the ln of absolute value of u plus c, and putting the u back to the x, so we have 1 over 2 the ln of x squared plus 1 plus c. Now, just note that x squared plus 1 is a function that looks like this. So we have this function is always positive, and that's why the absolute sign is redundant. We can just use normal parentheses. And we're almost done. So we have the antiderivative, f of x. So what is f of 1? We just need to substitute x with 1. So we have 1 times arctan of 1 minus 1 over 2 times the ln of 1 squared, which is 1 plus 1. So what is the arctan of 1? Well, that's going to be pi over 4. So pi over 4 times 1 is just pi over 4. And over here, we simply have ln of 2. How about f at 0? So we have 0 times arctan of 0. And let me tell you this will be 0. So minus 1 over 2 times the ln of 0 plus 1, which is 1. And the ln of 1 is 0. F at 0 will simply give us 0. So our final answer, f1 minus f0, will be pi over 4 minus 1 over 2 ln of 2 minus 0. And we no longer need that. So here is our final answer.